As you enter age 65 and beyond, your body no longer functions as it once did. When you reach the age of 65 and beyond, your body no longer operates as it did before. The body's functions gradually decline, making us more vulnerable to external factors, including our diet. One of the most important factors influencing elderly health is making the right food choices, especially when talking about meat. Although meat is a rich and essential source of protein for the body, not all types of meat are beneficial to health, especially for older adults. Some types of meat that many people frequently consume can pose significant health risks, leading to serious conditions such as cardiovascular diseases, cancer, or memory decline. In this video, we will highlight 3 types of meat that should be avoided if you want to maintain long-term health in your senior years. These choices not only impact the body but can also reduce the quality of life for seniors. Let's explore further to learn more and make informed dietary decisions that help you live a healthy and energetic life throughout your senior years. Don't miss out on this important information, as every food decision can impact your elderly health in the future. Type of meat number 1. Bacon, a tasty yet dangerous dish. Bacon, with its distinctive flavor, crispy texture, and tempting aroma, has become a favorite breakfast dish for many families. Many older adults consider bacon a delightful food that brings joy and recalls fond memories of their youth. However, few realize that behind that crispy, golden, and fragrant piece of bacon, there are subtle but very harmful effects on seniors' health. Although bacon provides satisfaction in every bite, it contains a massive amount of saturated fat, the main culprit behind clogged arteries and increased levels of harmful LDL cholesterol in the body. Particularly as our bodies age, the ability to regenerate and repair cells in the blood vessels slows down, making us more susceptible to dangerous cardiovascular diseases. But the harmful effects of smoking don't stop at saturated fat. Bacon also contains a large amount of nitrates and nitrites, preservatives used to maintain color and flavor. These substances can convert into nitrosamines in the body, which are cancer-causing compounds recognized by the World Health Organization, WHO. The elderly, with weakened immune systems and slower recovery, find it harder to fight off the effects of these compounds, increasing the risk of cancers, especially colorectal and stomach cancer. Furthermore, when bacon is cooked at high temperatures, a process called glycation occurs, creating compounds known as AGEs, advanced glycation end products. These compounds cause inflammation in the body, raising the risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's, arthritis, and cardiovascular diseases. For older adults, when cells can no longer repair and regenerate quickly, the impact of these compounds becomes even more severe. While bacon offers a delicious taste and is easy to prepare, for seniors, consuming this food too frequently is not only an unhealthy choice but also a factor that lowers the quality of life in their later years. Therefore, reconsider and choose healthier foods to protect your health. Type of meat number 2. Processed meats, convenient but high risk. Processed meats, such as sausages, ham, deli meats, and frozen meats, have always been a quick and convenient choice for meals, especially for seniors. These foods seem to be the ideal solution when a simple, time-saving meal is needed. However, few realize that although convenient and easy, processed meats harbor a significant health risk that we cannot overlook. Processed foods often contain large amounts of nitrates and nitrites, preservatives added to extend shelf life and maintain the meat's color. However, when these substances are digested in the body, they can convert into nitrosamines, a group of potent cancer-causing compounds. Studies have shown that frequent consumption of processed meats can increase the risk of cancers, particularly colorectal and stomach cancer, especially in older adults with weakened immune systems. In addition, processed meats are also very high in salt, which raises sodium levels in the body. This is particularly dangerous for seniors, who are at higher risk of conditions such as high blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, and kidney failure. Excessive salt in the body can increase the risk of water retention, leading to edema, cardiovascular stress, and difficulty in maintaining overall health. Moreover, consuming too much salt can lead to insulin resistance, a significant risk factor for diabetes. Older adults with slower digestion are especially at risk when consuming processed foods. Meats with preservatives and strong spices can place additional strain on the stomach and intestines. These substances can irritate the stomach lining, causing indigestion and digestive issues. Meanwhile, the body's ability to recover and process these substances is no longer as fast as before in older adults. While processed meats offer convenience and speed, if seniors continue to consume these foods regularly, their health can be seriously affected. It's important to choose natural, nutrient-packed foods with fewer preservatives to protect the body from the harmful effects of processed meats. Making the right choices today will help you stay healthy in the long run and live a full, energetic life. Type of meat number 3. Industrial red meat. Enjoy the taste, but sacrifice your health. Industrial red meat, especially beef and pork produced from industrial farms, is always tempting with its rich flavor and excellent tenderness. However, for older adults, consuming too much of this type of meat can be a poor decision, not only reducing the quality of life but also posing many concerning health risks. One of the factors that makes industrial red meat a major threat to the health of older adults is arachidonic acid, a type of fatty acid found in red meat. When the body absorbs too much arachidonic acid, it triggers an inflammatory response in the body. For younger individuals, the immune system can adjust and manage inflammation effectively. However, for older adults with weakened immune systems and slower cell regeneration, inflammation can last longer and may lead to serious conditions such as arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, or even memory decline. Furthermore, industrial red meat, especially when cooked at high temperatures such as grilling, frying, or stir-frying, produces harmful compounds known as HCAs, heterocyclic amines, and PAHs, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These substances have been studied and shown to increase the risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal and prostate cancers, when the body of an older adult can no longer repair damaged cells quickly. These substances accumulate over time and cause long-term harm to health. In addition, consuming industrial red meat is also linked to digestive issues. These meats, especially when undercooked, may contain harmful bacteria and toxins such as E. coli and Listeria, which are particularly dangerous for older adults with weakened digestive and immune systems. Eating undercooked red meat can lead to food poisoning and overall weakened health. While industrial red meat offers an enticing taste, for older adults, it is truly an unsafe choice. Consider replacing industrial red meat with healthier protein sources, such as wild-caught salmon, free-range chicken, or foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. These alternatives will help maintain health, boost resilience, and protect the body from age-related diseases. Let your meals not only satisfy your taste but also serve as a method to sustain health and longevity. Type of meat number 1 to eat. Wild-caught salmon, a natural gift for elderly health. As we age, our bodies require special sources of nutrition to maintain health and vitality. One of the best choices for seniors is wild-caught salmon. Not only is it a delicious dish, but also a gift from nature that helps maintain health throughout the golden years. Wild-caught salmon is one of the richest sources of omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, two essential fatty acids that help protect the brain and heart. For older adults, omega-3s play a crucial role in preventing memory loss, improving mood, and reducing the risk of age-related diseases like Alzheimer's. Scientific studies have proven that regular consumption of wild-caught salmon can reduce brain shrinkage, help preserve cognitive function, and lower the risk of memory decline, a common issue among seniors. No brain benefits, but omega-3s in auto-assessment still help protect the cardiovascular system. Omega-3s reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and improve the elasticity of blood vessels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. This is a critical concern for seniors, as their cardiovascular health needs protection to maintain a high quality of life. What's special about wild-caught salmon is its high antioxidant content, particularly astaxanthin, a carotenoid that gives the salmon its reddish-pink color. Astaxanthin is one of the strongest antioxidants, helping protect cells from free radical damage, reducing inflammation, and combating oxidative stress in the body. Two major factors that contribute to aging and many age-related diseases. Additionally, wild-caught salmon is free from chemicals, hormones, and antibiotics that are commonly found in farmed fish, making it a safer and healthier choice for seniors whose immune systems and digestive systems are often weakened. With all these incredible benefits, wild-caught salmon is truly an essential food in the diet of older adults. Not only does it protect cognitive function and heart health, but it also supports overall wellness, providing energy and vitality to the body. Add wild-caught salmon to your weekly meal plan to enjoy sustainable health benefits, helping you live a healthy and energetic life during your senior years. Type of meat number 2 to eat: free-range chicken, the natural choice for elderly health. In the journey of maintaining health throughout old age, choosing nutrient-rich and easily digestible foods is of utmost importance. One of the best foods for seniors is free-range chicken. Not only is it easy to eat and digest, but it also offers countless benefits for the body. Free-range chicken is a high-quality protein source, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health as we age. One common issue among older adults is muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Consuming free-range chicken, with its easily digestible protein content and rich array of essential amino acids, especially leucine, helps restore and maintain muscle mass, reduces the risk of falls, and enhances mobility. The protein from chicken not only supports muscles but also aids in recovery after illness, surgery, or periods of fatigue. In addition to protein, free-range chicken is rich in vitamin B6, an important vitamin for maintaining brain function and enhancing mental health, especially for the elderly. Vitamin B6 plays a significant role in reducing anxiety, improving mood, and preserving cognitive sharpness. Vitamin B6 also helps regulate sleep, an essential factor for seniors to keep their minds alert and their bodies healthy. Free-range chicken is also a good source of zinc, a vital mineral for the immune system, helping the body boost its resistance, especially during colder months or when the immune system declines with age. Zinc also plays an essential role in wound healing and maintaining skin health, which is extremely important for older adults, as wounds and skin injuries take longer to heal. One unique aspect of free-range chicken is its natural quality. Raised in a natural environment without hormones or antibiotics, free-range chicken offers a pure and safe food source for older adults. This not only makes it easier for the body to absorb nutrients but also avoids the harmful effects of chemicals that could harm long-term health. With all these incredible benefits, free-range chicken is the ideal choice for seniors to maintain health, boost the immune system, and protect brain health. A delicious and nutritious meal. Free-range chicken allows older adults to enjoy their meals without worrying about their health. Add free-range chicken to your weekly menu to maintain good health and vitality in your later years. Type of meat number 3 to eat: grass-fed beef liver, a superfood for elderly health. As we age, our bodies require a special diet to maintain health and vitality. Among all foods, one of the most valuable sources of nutrition that seniors can take advantage of is grass-fed beef liver, a superfood, is not only nourishing but also provides remarkable benefits for the body. Grass-fed beef liver is a rich source of vitamin B12, an essential nutrient that our bodies become increasingly deficient in as we age. Vitamin B12 plays a significant role in maintaining brain function and the nervous system, helping to improve memory, reduce the risk of cognitive decline, and combat depression, common issues among seniors. Without sufficient vitamin B12, the body can experience fatigue, reduced energy levels, and difficulty concentrating. Along with vitamin B12, beef liver is also rich in heme iron, a highly absorbable form of iron that is much more easily absorbed than iron from plant sources. Heme iron is crucial for improving blood circulation, helping the body transport oxygen to organs and tissues, boosting heart health, and preventing anemia. This is especially important for older adults, as the ability to produce red blood cells declines with age. Not only does beef liver provide iron and vitamin B12, but it also contains a range of other essential nutrients such as vitamin A, zinc, folate, and copper, all of which play vital roles in protecting the eyes, boosting the immune system, and supporting kidney function. The vitamin A in beef liver is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage and maintain healthy vision. Important for seniors, as age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration are common. Another strength of grass-fed beef liver is its ability to support the body's recovery process. Minerals like zinc and copper in beef liver aid in cell repair, help heal wounds quickly, and maintain skin health. This is particularly crucial for older adults, as their skin tends to be more vulnerable and slower to heal. Although grass-fed beef liver is highly nutritious, seniors should consume it in moderation, about once or twice a week, to reap the full benefits without overloading the body. When prepared correctly, such as lightly stir-fried, cooked in porridge, or made into pâté, grass-fed beef liver is not only rich in nutrients, but also easy to eat and digest. With all these wonderful benefits, grass-fed beef liver is truly an ideal choice for seniors to maintain long-term health. Include beef liver in your diet so that each meal is not just a nutrient boost but also a thoughtful way to care for your body and health. Type of meat number 4 to eat: sardines, the power from the sea for elderly health. When it comes to a healthy diet for seniors, we can't overlook a fantastic natural food: sardines. These small fish are easy to prepare and are loaded with essential nutrients, providing a wealth of health benefits. Especially for older adults, sardines are a rich source of omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, two essential fatty acids that help protect heart health, reduce inflammation, and prevent memory decline. For older adults, omega-3s play a crucial role in maintaining brain function, preventing Alzheimer's, and improving mood. Adding omega-3s to your daily diet helps improve cognitive clarity and reduces the risk of age-related diseases, thus enhancing the quality of life. Not only beneficial for the brain, but the omega-3s in sardines also help lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve the elasticity of blood vessels. This helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, a serious concern for older adults. Additionally, sardines are an excellent source of vitamin D, which supports bone health and boosts the immune system. Two critical factors as we age. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium more efficiently, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures in seniors. Sardines are also a great source of calcium, especially when you eat the fish bones. Calcium is essential for bone health and helps maintain muscle strength, which is especially important for seniors as muscle mass tends to decline over time. Moreover, calcium in sardines helps maintain a healthy nervous system, supporting muscle contraction and nerve signal transmission. What's particularly beneficial is that sardines have a lower risk of mercury contamination compared to larger fish such as tuna or mackerel. This is a crucial factor for seniors, as the body's detoxification system weakens with age, and consuming too much mercury can harm long-term health. Sardines are easy to prepare and can be eaten fresh, grilled, or made into salads, making meals for older adults not only delicious but also nutritious. With a combination of omega-3s, vitamin D, calcium, and other essential minerals, sardines truly are a superfood for elderly health. With all these benefits, sardines are an ideal choice to include in the diet of seniors. Add sardines to your weekly menu to improve health and protect the body from unwanted aging effects. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found useful information to build a healthy and nutritious diet for elderly health. Choosing the right foods will help you maintain your health, improve memory, and protect your cardiovascular system, especially as you age. Don't forget to add nutritious meats like wild-caught salmon, free-range chicken, grass-fed beef liver, and sardines to your daily menu for a healthy and energetic life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future health tips. Be sure to leave a comment below. Share your dietary experiences, or ask any questions if you need more advice on elderly health. Let's work together to create a community of sharing and learning about health.